Oh my gosh, am I skinny? Oh, am I skinny? Okay. Oh, okay. Sea moss is different. You should add this to something. I'm gonna add it to something next time because that was a little much. What is going on, y'all? This is Powerfully Paige, a channel dedicated to teaching you how to look good, eat good, and live good. This is my first day trying the sea moss, and honestly, I'm nervous. I made this yesterday. Not sure if you could see it, but oh, it really is gel. Okay. I can do it. Here it is. That shit's expensive, so let me make sure none of it gets wasted. What I just put in my mouth. It didn't taste like anything, but like, I don't know. Got the sea moss. This is my face. First day. What is that? See? Already acting crazy. So, didn't get a lot. But, whew, it's a little cold. My face actually feels really soft. Yeah. Really soft and really like, you know. I've been taking 2 a day and it's pretty cool. So it's supposed to be super detoxing and really nutrient dense. So get into it. Oh. Ignore this towel on my head, but this is after my 3rd day of sea moss. I washed it off after my shower. Skin feels good. It's definitely softer, noticeably softer than before. This is my face day 4. Skin feels super soft. Skin feels tight. Looking good so far. This is with absolutely nothing on my face. I'm going to follow up with my nighttime routine. I currently have my Curls Please Deep Conditioner by Foundation Care in here. And I wanted to boost it up, so I decided to add some avocado and some sea moss. So, this is the sea moss. This isn't actually gel. I have gel that I've been eating. And it's a different consistency. It's a lot thicker. This was honestly my oopsie batch. I added too much water. A sea moss Aztec clay face mask. Okay, you see that? We're gonna mix it with sea moss. So I'm gonna let this harden and then there's no product or anything on it. It's definitely soft. My skin feels good. It definitely feels tighter, for sure. Now I'm going to tone it and put a little nighttime serum on and then moisturize. So it's a little excessive only because I'm at the last bit and I didn't want to waste any. But this is the last bit of my sea moss mask. I have it in my hair, deep conditioning with avocado and other goodies. And out of the 4 ways, I would probably say as a raw face mask, it is the best. It helps my skin stay smooth, tight, and it helps clear up acne. 2nd is deep conditioner for softer hair. 3rd is raw for a little boost. And I don't really recommend capsules. So I'm challenging you to boost your regimen with sea moss today.